Here's the Johnson 9.9 tiller motor that I picked up. It's a 1977. It's pretty old. It had the 9.9 horsepower carburetor on it, and wasn't quite enough to move my boat. I put a bunch of decking in my boat, and it got kind of slow, wouldn't get up on a plane. It's a 14-foot fiberglass. So I wanted a little more power, so I got a hold of two carburetors, two 15-horsepower carburetors, that I was able to actually kind of combine all the parts on. The parts weren't very good, so I combined them and used all the good parts from both carbs and made one good carb. The choke kind of sticks, so you kind of have to take the cover off to adjust the choke, but once it's warmed up, this motor runs great. It's got a lot more power than it used to. A lot of people have hesitations when going to the 15-horsepower carburetor, but it's actually working out really well for me. All I did was a carburetor, nothing else, and now it's a 15 horsepower. It runs great. Starts right up. Some people are saying it doesn't idle as low as the 9.9, but honestly, it idles quite low. It's in gear right now. You can see it's running fine. Got to put a coat of paint on it now and some decals, and it'll be all set. But it's pretty good. It moves the boat all right.